Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking a little bit of American muscle here. 1970 Plymouth Barracuda, white, black trim, rally wheels. Hop on in, we'll do a cold start and we'll tell you all about it. Okay, so here we are in our 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. I'm going to do a little cold start, turn the key on, give it one pump. Fires right up. A little high idle there. Choke is working. We got gas. We're gonna warm her up and we'll tell you all about her. There, we got a little temperature in our 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. 4-speed manual. It's got a replacement 360 V8 in it. This is originally a 318 two-barrel car. Shifts good, feels good, good power, great little exhaust note. It's also upgraded with headers and a free flow exhaust. Pistol grip shifter, as it should have. Console car. Power steering, power brakes. Great lookout over this car, over the twin scoop hood. Nice matte black, really complements the white finish. We're gonna come up here to straightaway. We'll open her up a little bit, run her through the rest of the gears. Sounds good, feels good. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. Like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment below as well.